Is now the right time to buy or sell Quantumscape stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Quantumscape. We released our initial report on our website on Friday, January 5, 2024, and now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of artificial intelligence by accessing free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 4, 2024, our system has ranked Quantumscape as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.83. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock has underperformed compared to our predictions, resulting in a loss of -6.45%. This equates to an average daily loss of -3.23% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Currently, this stock is experiencing a strong and wide rising trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected 25.56% change over the next 3 months. The potential return falls between -8.40% and 34.66%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a -12.92% change. This means the potential return could range from -62.10% to 25.06%. In other words, the stock price could reach anywhere from $3.30 to $10.88 after a year. Our latest update on Quantumscape brings you the headline, Big Movements in Quantumscape Stock Price on Friday, with a 13.47% fluctuation between its high and low points. On the last trading day, Friday, January 5, 2024, the Quantumscape stock price experienced a decrease of 6.45%, dropping from $9.30 to $8.70. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 13.47%, reaching a low of $8.31 and a high of $9.43. Although the price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, it is still up by 23.58% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the decrease in trading volume aligns with the stock's decline, which can be considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 60 million shares on the last day, with a total of 47 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $409.70 million. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price reached was $13.86, while the lowest price was $4.99. Currently, the price is 37.23% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $5.16. Additionally, it is 93.45% below the all-time high recorded on December 22, 2020, when the price reached $132.73. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, October 3, 2023, Goldman Sachs issued a sell grade for QS with a hold action. On Friday, February 17, 2023, Goldman Sachs downgraded QS with a sell grade and a downgrade action. On Wednesday, December 14, 2022, Goldman Sachs downgraded QS with a negative grade and a downgrade action. On Tuesday, December 13, 2022, Goldman Sachs downgraded QS with a sell grade and a downgrade action. On Thursday, September 29, 2022, Prescience Point initiated coverage of QS with a hold grade. Analysts have given Quantumscape stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio, both of which are rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious view and give the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Quantumscape stock. The stock is currently showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive indicator for its future performance. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $7.51 and $6.82. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be generated. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact its short-term development. A sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 4, 2024, resulting in a 6.45% decline. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. The volume also decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. On a positive note, the stock had a golden star signal on Wednesday, April 12, 2023 in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line align in a special combination. It's a rare occurrence and often precedes significant gains for the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Quantumscape. When we look at the downside, we see that the stock finds support just below today's level at $7.63 and $7.58. It's important to understand that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the current support at $7.63 is broken, the next support level can be found at $7.58 and $6.92. It's worth noting that this stock is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. It has the potential to move significantly during the day, as indicated by the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In fact, just in the last day, the stock moved $1.12 between its high and low, representing a 13.47% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 13.92%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Quantumscape, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary downturns, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has negative PE ratios, it may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $0.230. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing the potential day trading levels for Quantumscape. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Quantumscape is at $9.30. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. Looking at the downside, Quantumscape encounters its first support level at $7.63. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Quantumscape from multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2024, Hetrich Kevin conducted an insider buy, purchasing 34,607 shares of Class A common stock. On January 3, 2024, Hetrich Kevin conducted an insider sell, disposing of 34,607 shares of Class A common stock. On January 3, 2024, Hetrich Kevin conducted an insider sell, disposing of 34,607 shares of stock option, right to buy. On January 2, 2024, Straubel Jeffrey B. conducted an insider sell, disposing of 69,309 shares of stock option, right to buy. On January 2, 2024, Straubel Jeffrey B. conducted an insider buy, purchasing 69,309 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the calculated insider power ratio is negative at -16.401. In total, insiders have purchased 2,008,007 shares and sold 2,829,151 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $8.19, which represents a decrease of 5.82%. This particular stock is known for its significant daily movements, which in turn brings a level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top, which was observed just 1 day ago. Is Quantumscape stock a good buy? While Quantumscape holds several positive signals, we believe it's not yet a strong buy candidate. It's better to consider it as a hold or accumulate candidate for now, as we wait for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, January 8, we expect Quantumscape to open up by $0.113 and start trading at $8.81. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks of trading. Trading carries a high risk of losing money, so it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.